This, of course, is truth telling time. TTT, brain at work. Na ma video akpakple amabubuawo na masel oha aleke ne kpo video alo nyake glomalia ne esi glomana ne jeji no wa makwe comment section ne le kpo be nyake glomala manye nyatepo wa makwe comment section. When you come to this program, please do share the video and leave your comment. Let me see whether or not you agree with me. Let me see. Like this video if you agree with me. Share it with other people and let's all move on. We are on YouTube, Truth Telling Time TV. Even if you don't understand the Ewe language, please do share it till it gets to someone who understands the language, and so that the message becomes helpful. Okay, for many of you already, you have these messages in the Twi language. It is time for us to also bring it to people of other tribe or people of other languages. And this time around, my dedication is to my people, the Ewe. So whether you understand the Ewe language or not, do share the video. Okay? Yes. The religion and the page the platform religion tie mi funa no kunado. You can legend the religion. You are the God you ignored. You are the God you ignore. Wawenya mawuke makwadbo kwibe yenya mawa wawuntenya mawa wadogbarabrade mawu nakbereti ne yakpodo yawo ne le dogbamada magave dido magadogoro khomna gave dido agbaleke ohin obia le domia magako agbalemu magadi agbalemu dadi magako yi be ave dido wa no khomo kola no be dura komna de le do akogbe ya aw ne le dogbeda voa ejeme wa on to ke kola ba dogo le khoama aida egbeaji ave dido ne le be podo ade obana le dola po BC alo wasi alo university degree ye dola no as you happy wa ho oba at least 2 years of experience, at least no 1 year siwa what you consider 0 experience ogo. So you are the God you ignore. Ne etale druma le dola le paracetamol ano ye etala fa ne etale drum le be ko bible ba daretaji ba mawe me de gbara ta na follow me dogo yina le Ezekiel pe agbara me ogba mawa bro na bi menade ni du atiku chechia ne nya cho ama pao ayodo na nya dokwe. So you are the God you ignored. Truth telling time, brain at work. Weva wana seji afi mi reji pastor adele no phone upon fokuro tight inti ofun fokuro ni senyama na mi akpo bana de nyama ogbolo kuro tight antiade nya tefanya wonya alo alapai. This of course is truth telling time. So let's take that pastor and see. All right.
Is the receiver of the tithe. We pay it here, but is there in heaven to receive it. It is not the pastor that receives your tithe. It is Jesus who receives your tithe. What will pastor do with your tithe? Since we came to Goshen here, I've never entered where they account money because it is not my business. The church is not interested in your tithe. And for you to understand that before you came to this church has been surviving. So it is not your tithe that makes this church. Your tithe is to tie you to God. Tithe ties you to God. Jesus himself is the receiver of the tithe. We pay it here, but is there in heaven to receive it. It is not the pastor that receives your tithe. It is Jesus who receives your tithe. What will pastor do with your tithe? Since we came to Goshen here, I've never entered where they account money because it is not my business. The church is not interested in your tithe. And for you to understand that before you came to this church has been surviving. So it is not your tithe that makes this church. Your tithe is the receiver.
Tonyo, nyaka blome Bishop Abioye. Nyaka blome Bishop Abioye le. Bishop Abioye banade. Tithe enu wolia kemi hena de church home wa. Church home ya. Manye you pastor you hone. Oba Yesu anke hone direct. Nyama blome Bishop Abioye le na miwema. Kristo to. Nyama nyatepenya wonye. Alo ala pae. Banade. Ya ye ke le church home ya. Neyi le church woma fike wo khona ega nujojo Kofi Ama brother view Joda view miba amakela left amakela dongo ble nya pa tight ble anuna na ke mi ona the church home ade ebe ya manyi yo toyo manyi pastor toyo ayi na Yesu go direct ebe ya fi kra wo khna garo le church home the treasury ya yi mo ifima frapo aba fima manyi ifo business yo le nya yi glo pastor ya le newo no le gahna nemi wonu jojo vo le church ya yo le akhlamade pastor me fi da microphone ade aba ide fima be le gahna pomore aloma blama sabate ibo vonde am le fima le supervision wone le lesema am le fima le supervision wone ye no le gavoa pastor me vu me obe danedo ye pastor ko na ina na fama sen ide no le gavoade pastor mo vu me be gana do ko ina na fama ta no le gahn ya ma ifimo wa yo bana it is not his business yes it is true many ye ko business e o nya ba ya la ba khlenga ato akwanyu bana de aya na gloma ya na nya choga vane ne wa ko ya ko mo no wa bedu me trust ida mala quotation na go na nya bana de pastor Bishop Abioye ya ke glola ala pada me wole no trust ida
the receiver of the tithe. We pay it here, but is there in heaven to receive it? It is not the
abanade mi khana nu wolia tithe mi khana de afisia le anyigbanji vo Yesu ale jifo ke khone Biblia yenye ya to Matthew fa agbale Bado Johannes fa agbalaji fima Yesu fo le direct aloma blama yeah Johannes 20 John yeah voilà these are the four gospels judodo nyi kokya abalesi Matthew blene abalesi Marko blene abalesi Luka blene Luka nglene abalesi Johannes nglene which le Bible mia afie ye Yesu fonfo le direct fika ye Yesu blomna me to tight bena Bishop Abioye fika ye Yesu aglodo le Matthew fa balama le Marko fa agbalama le Luka fa agbalama lo alo le Johannes fa agbalama benade mi cho nu wolie o vena manyanye Yesu na ma hodmo ye pastor elaba no mi ablama mi trust it na
is the receiver of the tithe. We pay it here, but is there in heaven to receive it?
Ni khene la fia enu wolia ebe mi o ke le church ya de church to amabi wadi mi khena nu wolia la fia vo Yesu ale jifu ye ya honezerka le gbogbo yo physically yo ni to ke lanya.
It is not the pastor that receives your tithe, it is
ebe man your pastor we hona tithe olo vo mi sanya o block to tithe until the Bible on that ebe na de bring the whole tithe into the storehouse, that there may be food in my house. Ni nu ofe ewolia okata yi nu jirado fola na wanye nu dudule afanyama maofa fiadi according to nyanto Kristo to ade fika nyama maofa fama church kwa makenya maofa miani no yoyoma pastor enya maofa ma kana nu dudula no maofa fiami ade mo church fama plema pastor ma fama yo mam na bion la tonyo mila se nu so mile mabade abanade mi hanu ofa ewolia okata yi nu jirado fola ne wanye nududu le aƒenye me. Mitsɔ esia dom kpɔ abe nye mavu dziƒo nu eye nye madudu yayra afɔ ɖe mia dzi wòagbɔ eme o hã. Yehowa Zebaoth ye gblɔe. Bring the whole tithe into the storehouse, that there may be food in my house. According to you Christians, where is the house of God? The church. Who is the man of God according to you Christians? The pastor. So the house where the pastor lives, in another word, is also the house of the man of God. So the house of God, if you want to accept it that way. So the tithe, Jesus does not receive any tithe there in heaven. It is you, the pastor. Mia pastor we hona nuwolia le hamavio sisne duna. Yesu adeke me honim. Allah ba nku mia la ba kwema Allah ba apato kaka. Yema Bishop Abioye avatwe makam ole nku bianji nenema. Vode amekela te akwanya benade Allah pa dame wole. Ye nyalo ye fi me sesiama. Ni reji.
Jesus who receives your tithe. What will pastor do with your tithe? Since we came to Goshen here, I've never entered where they account money.
Abe chokeke resia yiki obado Goshen. Eche bo gbedo bo afike ole. O yo na fi ma be Goshen, me Bible Goshen lo. Goshen edele Egypt. Fi me Israel o nawo anyigba lo be no le pe alafa en black tonke o no Israel Egypt according to the Bible. Goshen anyigba ndi o no le Egypt. Vomo fi me ma blamolo. Abe choyi yo chokeka gakeme yo ba no Goshen na fi ma de. Yima yida fisi o khana gadwa yima fi ma kpo. Me yifima kpo voade ame le fima le gahle de ame le fima le gbo kpono pastor kpo o le mu jojo la church ko mo si o le mu jojo la church mo ye pastor de ni twa ko bana de ni twa ko bana 1 million de francs CFA 1 million de francs CFA ye pastor akwe de envelope mo ye ha anya kekelo le mu jojo ma de ye pastor have a jogama c'est dalo que pastor have a jogama automatically no hlega ke voa ga $1 wo 1 million de francs CFA. Aloma blama. When they were doing the offering, the pastor also paid, and assuming that the pastor paid 1 billion Ghana cedis, he put it in an envelope and put it in the offering bowl. So tactically, after the counting of the offering, the money must be more than that 1 million Ghana cedis or 1 billion. The money that they are going to get in all must be more than what the pastor alone put in the offering bowl. This is what I'm trying to make. But do you know, surprisingly, after the counting of the money, what they got as the total was not even up to what the pastor alone dropped into the offering bowl. What happened? Those who count the money stole part of it. Those who count the money stole part of it. But when I call them Jojo Mari, pastor ha ever on Jojo Ade, a gake pastor of a Joade, Kiwo Lega Jojo Kewa, Mudde a gake pastor of a day that a new job banner, a gakata with the pastor of the Catono, Nuke as Nikela La Porfima. If your mamma could not gach on the church of woman, Ufina de Ufine, Dana pastor ya Boblomani, Fie Unona a ga Unona a gach and way you may fima boadi. I'm a female bopone. No levoa, automatic than the woman ever told you, say that.
It is Jesus who receives your tithe. What will pastor do with your tithe? Since we came to Goshen here, I've never entered where they account money because it is not my business. The church is not interested in your tithe. And for
the church is not interested in your tithe. Obna the church here, many often tithe into church here, many here often tithe. Tithe kill the church of Homari. Over my here the church you. Never here the church you. Bring the whole tithe into the storehouse, that there may be food in my house. God is saying that bring it so that there shall be food in his house. And you are then saying that it is not needed. So, Pastor, do we have to listen to you or we have to listen to your God? Me, Reggie.
to understand that before you came to this church has been surviving. So it is not your tithe that makes this church. Your tithe is to tie you.
Barake hamavio kumale. Ukata ochaka tito geru duma. They believe what this man is telling them. Look at them. Me, nanya nyamale fima pastor abegmaya. Chuguma maja nyama tithe hego. Nela bananu here Yesu on it directly. You are saying that when we pay tithe, Jesus receive it directly. Then I will no longer pay the tithe in the church. I will pay it at home so that Jesus can take it from my house. I won't come to the church and pay it. If it were me, church Bishop Abio Yefu Hamaviari, Nimagala Tita Hugger, a new Wulia, Nimaga Hugger, church of woman. But never mind her new Wulia, but it documented the Anglo of Ma. Adara Colonizilla Honyama. I do banana Yesu Manade, Yesu, a new Wulia Malafimalo Bakway. Number church I can't bova Yesu Bakria, fine, number 2 one you told me. Luvia Awella Boboma, Hotel Tony, Vogaka, Bohamu, your phone Fumanda, Umale Clip, Omalania Goma Sebu.
To God. Tithe ties you to God. Jesus himself is the receiver of the tithe. We pay it here, but is there in heaven to receive it?
Alapai, da, Ntuya, Eblemisi. Aha, Eblemi. Da, Mireji. Mea Eblemilo.
Never dare God. I repeat, never dare God. The Titanic boat owner said, not even God can sink this boat, and you know what happened. The boat sank soon after. Marilyn Monroe said, I don't need Jesus. 3 days later, she was found dead. A mother said to her daughter, God be with you. Ironically, the daughter replied, there is no room in the car except in the trunk. On their trip, there was an accident where all the people inside the car died, but the trunk remained intact. The crates of eggs in the truck, no one of it was broken. A dad told his son, may God protect you. And the son said, my friends will protect me more than God. When he was returning from his work, a stray bullet killed him where the friends watched but could not protect him. A boy went to a church and started urinating on the cross, saying there is no God. The next day, he lost his arms and confessed to the desecration. A man got this message and deleted it, saying, what? God doesn't exist. The man suffered for 8 years before death. Another man got this message and shared it to as many people as possible. He was promoted in his job. God opens doors that no one can close through this message. And if you don't need God, ignore this message and don't spread it. The message aims to turn around the world. The president of Argentina received it and ignored it. After 8 days, his son died. This message is sacred and miraculous. Share this with 5 different persons. Don't ignore. Don't break it. Is God the first in your life? If so, leave what you're doing and share in 5 different persons now. I have asked God, through prayers, to bless you with that desire of your heart in accordance towards his will. You send this message to others as required. Never dare.
La boya. Aleka kwe uno na vovoji dunami. Le religion ya. Vovoji ano vovoji dunami ya. Never dare God. Do you need God? Magado maupo. Magado nkubiana mawo. De na hiam maulo pa gbemea. Truth telling them, brain at work. Nyate petu to hei. Yemi do not even ade susua ele do wom, susua le do wom. Tonyo mi na me akwenya yaji. Abnade never dare God. Magado maupo alo magado adika kple he magado adika kple mawo. Ba bienye bnade afike mawa le yi me na adika do be kple. Nyanga ke mo ma biema. This is the question. Where is the God in the first place for me to even dare him? Don't never dare God. Never.
God. I repeat.
Amen. Never dare God. Why is the God for me to even dare him in the first place? Aleka kono na vovoji dune mi lechochi ho. But listen it. Proverbs chapter 10. Proverbs chapter 9 verse 10 going. Lododo etamashike bupia mawoko in abanade. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, and knowledge of the Holy One is understanding. Yehovah vovonye nunya kwe gome toto eye si jeje kokwe tola nye gome sese. But I want the first line. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Yehovah vovonye nunya kwe gome toto. How? If the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, how? How? I'm saying how? Abraham was not in connection with any God, but according to Genesis chapter 12, God loved Abraham. But Genesis Moses for agbalagba tamo wivelia ma fi no ba mawa ekpo ba Abraham amajodwe wonyo ye wo yo ha fi dwe bana na ya kwani bare chofie ya imu pakule ho jijimavio ya wo ko wana gbaglade gama mane Abraham ade asubo na mawa gakeme mawa yo Abraham abanade never ya kwani bare chofie never you play ya wo covenant ade gama me ade Abraham asubo na mawu de musubo na mawu von enunalesi. So how do you tell me that it is the fear of the Lord? Yenye wisdom. How do you convince me? Abraham was not worshiping any God. And according to Genesis chapter 12, God loved Abraham. Abel and Cain, were they worshiping any God? But when Abel and Cain ade, they will not know subama le Eden boame. Come on, no man subamore. Look at Oba Abel amajodwe onya. Oba Abel amajodwe onya. Amajodwe chen number meaningless susulesi enya de ko zona. Enya de ko agbeto plabeto uno na nyide. Enya ba nuya nuvo. Amama oya ba amajodwe. Nka tell the Bible it is the fear of the Lord which is the beginning of wisdom. How? How? Never dare God. Afika mawale menadi kadobe paple. Fika male. Ni leji.
Never dare God. The Titanic boat owner said, not even God can sink this boat, and you know what happened. The boat sank soon after.
Listen, you see, in the sea, the kwa grono to mawi antia, eku afoku jeje, eku afoku. Obanade Titanic boat pilot ade. Not even God can sink this boat, and the boat sank soon afterwards. Abana the mau America mali Latin aba kudwa alanyo o agbonyama madidiu ye evuanyo ta fe ba mawe manyo voa tanyama mawu mayala nela dedo krifio bana de o yele yenya mawu vava kama dedo laku na mamepu wa mawu mamati de na imu safia no mawu keto gbenima mawu kenya mawu maya be ya de fon se tofia Egypt towa de wowu ama ya de fon se tofia Noah kwajijima towa de wowu ama ya de fon se tofia Israel viole gbeja de wowu 23,000 akpe blavo voton kama ngbe la de mon se tofia amade kwa amado laku na la de mon se tofia kwa le do laku mawu mamate de na mon se tofia na mabana de la noy kwa de la fogala moji la noy ko la focus no no de la moji kon le kaka la choke sino na kwa de le segbe di do choji fo abla ona de d'accord ba ha nyenya mawu so katato me ko me nyenye bana ha ma ko jinyese aya tai ma ko ga se dara fisia na la nye bana nyenya mawu mo na ma yolo ne be ya defiant bana yinyama kwa ka do wa wuo a cho defiant be nyama we ma oh Laura.
After Marilyn Monroe said, I don't need Jesus. 3 days later she was found dead.
amabubu ha globana ya imahia Yesu le ha gbamo nkeke tomagba pepepe kwa aku la munya blama ama mabanya mahia Yesu la gbanya muade we akumu ya kelem ya ma ade Yesu ji hosere by force here. Is he by force to believe that Yesu dalia by force onya mami we be bono drug badalio? If indeed there is a judgment day, why do you kill me for not believing in you now? Why don't you let me die my natural death, and so that you judge me on the judgment day? If you are a chief justice, do you go around the town telling people, stop committing sin, stop committing sin, stop committing sin? Is that the work of the chief justice? No. The work of the chief justice is to sit on his judgment seat and wait for the sinner to be brought before him for judgment. Kone mnyambo mauma jo lekwa vono drogba hale uya drop on na majojo klama amovondi wa elajo na mo ba nyamo hoji oso instead of la dasi agbanya na ma no agba ma tro na ma tro jimea le do nuavo vono drogba hale baba bu foma nunya la numamia nunya la ya mama amare be ko Yesu jiso 3 days later he was found dead. Where is your proof that it is because he didn't believe in Jesus, that's why he died? Even you, the one speaking, the one talking, you, even you, the one talking, you believe in Jesus, you believe in God. Will you live forever? Will you live forever? Wa we ke ho ma Jesus, wa we ke ho Yesu Jesus re, ke wa ma ba kuku ba lo. Nenyuba aku nya Yesu kula ma ji ma ho se fa jesia. Nenyuba na ma da ku ate ba me ma ho ma Jesus, mo ho Yesu Jesus wa. Kam yo ke na ho ma wa kula Yesu wa Jesus. Kam ya nyuba kuku bore. Abana mi ya mi ha mi kuwa. Kama nya ku nya ma ji ma ho se fa jesia ri. Alo ma blama. Deka kono na vovoji donami amasi amakuku ba we are mortal beings mi kuku ba. This well will never come to an end. Hihi amala nuhumala hihi asio. AGC transformation AGC la papa mi no internet is an fifia AI va. Me moving from 4G me na the 5G 6G bono 7G jamba aye transformation hihi anuhumala ne. Mara kana babla wo. So who can tell me about that? Is it those who are dead? It is too late. Is it those who are alive? It is too early. I'm a kelatic phone to a kuntinama. I'm kupawela bona nuki jona de kumebea. I'm a kukuja blaname gagbadai. I'm a bagboja fianuki jona le kumebea. It is too early. Please, we are alive. Let us learn how to live. I'm a bagboemia tabarade. A jawamia son alessia no agbedaje.
A mother said to her daughter, "God be with you." Ironically, the daughter replied, "There is no room in the car except in the trunk." On their trip, there was an accident where all the people inside the car died.
America, oba a mother, no America vignon vi, elle mozon, bule eto, ou le mozon, ye un noir blamade, maune nekulemi. Oba de to be a dontina no benade a moment of former came maulava no papulo yo ke boot fiko ukona no ro ka fima ko maulava no obo oina o le monzo zomia over ko accident o ka o kikin ma kikin le bo ma ko oku e ba America ko fonu mawa ma wu America ma lo wu kikiki la accident mi tala la ko ma cheba mawu ya na la de ro ko fi kwa aku God of the dead. This is not the God of the living. This God can only be the God of the dead, not the living.
But the trunk remained intact. The crates of eggs in the trunk, no one of it was broken. A dad told his son, "May God protect you." And the son said, "My friends will protect me more than God." When he was returning from his work, a stray bullet killed him where the friends watched but could not protect him.
God protect you. If you oh, Maumati, but no Maumati Tablibo, you hon latively lovely Italo. Over to Bonoa, straight bullet, I all a 2 down a fide, ye bullet at about the year. You see all what he's talking about. A coup de no, a big boku, Richard Dawkins. Richard Dawkins is an atheist, he's still alive. Lot of atheists lived before dying. Christians are dying, atheists are dying. Theists die, atheists die. Amoko lezate, amoko mo homauji soa. O ha okuna, amoko no homauji se. O ha okuna. That a kuwa de ejo bivina ude here. Nobody. Mauji hoseto, ame mauji ma hoseto kwekuna. Mauji ma hoseto kwekuna. King Nebuchadnezzar, mono abekaka ya bako. Daniel mako. Isaiah mako, Jeremiah mako, Yesu anto mako, Enoch mako, Moses mako, Aaron mako, John the Baptist mako, Peter mako, Paul mako. So kankanya mauji ma hospital kwekuna ekuya lamenti to gbenya mo nkwenya tumako epumako amapu ana madama amapu la sekokoma ele na ucha ko ha oyi dodogba ekuya mo kone na mo let's say tumako ela masia menti yo bana de kakala bo konti la ala masia menti mama uji ma hospital kwekuna ekuya la masia menti.
Boy went to a church and started urinating on the cross, saying there is no God. The next day, he lost his arms and confessed to the desecration. A man got this message and deleted it, saying, "What? God doesn't exist. The man suffered for 8 years before death." Another man got this message.
Amada message here, amada ho message here. Me ho jisu, me kula mu befu apomanyi. Fomanya magba happy utu eku agwelo anka mama sebnande amade oblan ne mahoji sew ye ma wade do kwefie la nwoma ye woreke ya mi antroji ma ye ba ho ma waji se anka da o bi fa beta amala nyoko vono wareke ko obaku aleke ko aku Kristo to kuna nkremo to kuna amasia makuku ba eku ala amasia manti na maku bo ala kuku ba cho na maku ba wa echole kukuba da ekwaya ma manu jes e mauji ma hose jesi wonyo bere
and shared it to as many people as possible. He was promoted in his job. God
amalia ho message ya ti o mekple buwawa o promote le edoma. Where is this commitment na de na amuma ton le docteur for the car amuma ton le docteur for the car wakata o ma message ya o la mereka one manager din le do amere o ja promote amuma ton makata le docteur for ko wasu manager ningma madam ma message ya yo promote le do me mi chokna le do ma me amuma ton ye ma message ya wakata onya assistant managers amuma ton makata onya assistant managers vo o le manager ka pe di vo ma ton ke ye share message ya ko ja promote o ma to akeke we ko wazu managers le do ame ala pa ya ko ni mo wi a de ka ko no na vovoji do mi ya lo vovoji do na mi ayikwe.
God opens doors that no one can close through this message, and if you don't need God, ignore this message and don't spread it. The message aims to turn around.
Na ma hia ma wo wa ke for ngoroba message ya maga me nyekula ma wa ma ke hia mi ano vie wawe wo mawalo alo mawawe wo ye bebenade nyo amagbeto bakule mawade make hia no vie nyo we hia mawa alo mawaye hia mi agbede alo carpenter kinawo azikpiade wo mo voma do make hia no vie carpenter ye hia azikpi ano yire jilo alo azikpi ye hia carpenter bena wa oyi wawo kene da akpleare mikple akple ameke hia no vie wawe hia akple be ya dui na ya difodolo alo akple hia wawo Wow, pull a view at it, make McCann of you. While we're here, via one chodon, ye allergy. A via my here, while we're here. Mo we here, my wife, ma here no. La here na mau. Nimnama Maglaniro, Volasagom.
The world. The president of Argentina received it and ignored it. After 8 days, his son died. This message.
Ober president of Argentina received the message and ignored it. After 8 days, his son died. Where is your evidence that the son died as a result of not sharing this message? Over the Argentina, Duklola, message ya ebe kasi, memekle buwao, nke kome nyima bia, ifo viku. Dan de siade aku. Bebenade, adase wa ede fika adase wa lebenade. Argentina pe Duklola emo viaku, ala benama ma message yo. Fika adase wa le. Where is your proof? Where is your evidence? If you don't spread it, something will happen. 20 people didn't share this message. After sending the message to me, you didn't send me credit to share it to other people. So now you going to heaven depends on messages you share on WhatsApp.
Which is sacred and miraculous. Share this with 5 different persons. Don't ignore. Don't break it.
My biggest question is, this man on the screen speaking, saying all these things, clearly he believes in God and he believes in Jesus Christ. For that matter, will he live eternally or he will also die? Since he is able to pinpoint at the people who disbelieve in God or who disbelieve in Jesus and they die as a result. Now that he has believed in these 2 entities, will he live forever or he will also die? Is he an immortal being or a mortal being? Question can be made. Amayanana yamo blomayade. Yaintori akukube alo agbeno betebe. Manukuku yantonyo. Truth telling them brain at work. Mega Bodoga. This is just one part of this episode. Male yesu for movie on copyright or revoke copyright that I will do it in a different way. This is Truth Telling Time. Do share this video. My number is on the screen. Phone or discussion or debate. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Truth Telling Time TV. TTT Brain at Work.